Don't put it in your mouth. Did you put it in your mouth? Did it taste good?
No.
You need to keep it out of your mouth, huh?
Sassy.
Yeah.
Sassy.
Yeah, you can put a sassy in your mouth.
So.
Hey, love. Sophie, what are you doing?
Chalk.
Chalk? What are you doing with the chalk?
Color.
Coloring on your chalkboard? Do you like to color? You like to color?
Green.
Green. And blue.
Yellow.
And yellow.
Green.
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 No, red.
Green.
Red,
Green.
And orange.
Red. No. Mommy draw.
Want Mommy to draw?
And
Okay.